Hey everyone, got a quick update for you. But first, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. On this channel, you'll watch me take my LS Swap Suburban, make it into a show vehicle. Finally got my grill back from the powder coater. Once I got to the powder coater, he told me those studs that were going around the perimeter of the grill were actually plastic. I thought they were metal, but they were actually plastic. So had to come back to the shop, pull those studs out, and come up with a different design. Uh, Went to the local hardware store, and let me show you what I came up with. What I did was I took those studs out and put in some button head style screws. Had them fitted in place. It was like 46 of them. As you can see, gives the grill a different look from the plastic studs that were in here. Came out pretty nice. I mean, the powder coating came out very nice. Very nice. It's gonna look hot on the front of that Suburban. I'm gonna go ahead and get this in place and show you how this thing is progressing. Got the grill in place. I think that's gonna be hot right there. That's gonna be real hot. There's something about a Chevy. There's something about a Chevy. It doesn't matter what state it's in. In progress, patina, lifted, lowered, shaved, any state it's in, a Chevy always gonna look sexy. Always gonna look sexy. There's something about a Chevy. No matter what state a Chevy is in, patina, in progress, multicolor, it's always gonna look sexy. All right. Please be sure to post comments, thumbs up, thumb down, sideways. Be sure to leave a comment. Tell me what you think. I'd like to hear your comments, your feedback. Till next time.